how to fix TikTok watch history not showing on TikTok. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for TikTok, and when you found it, just open it like this, and you will go directly now to storage option, and then you will go to clear data and click OK, and you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK, and go to Play Store and update your TikTok again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.